Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that's generating some buzz, the Pro F13 GPS drone. This model positions itself as a solid option for both newcomers and more experienced pilots, packing some impressive features into its black frame. One of the headline features is the camera. It's advertised as having a true 4K HD camera, promising superior image and video quality. While the specifications also list the video capture resolution at 1080p, the effective still resolution is a respectable 12 megapixels. This suggests it captures high-resolution photos, and the 1080p video should still provide clear footage for most aerial shots, especially for sharing online. The focus here seems to be on delivering good visual results for its class. Beyond the camera, the flight capabilities are quite notable. It boasts an extended remote distance of up to 3 kilometers, which is quite expansive and allows for significant exploration and coverage from a single takeoff point. This kind of range opens up many possibilities for capturing landscapes or following subjects over a considerable area. Battery life is another strong point, with a stated flight time of 30 minutes. This is a generous duration for a drone in this category, providing prolonged aerial adventures without the constant need to land and swap batteries. This long battery life, combined with the extended range, makes it suitable for longer filming sessions or simply enjoying more flight time per outing. In terms of build, the Pro F13 is described as robust and reliable, built to last even under demanding conditions. This suggests it can handle typical outdoor flying environments and perhaps the occasional bump, which is reassuring for any drone owner. Its durability contributes to its overall value and longevity. Controlling the drone is designed to be intuitive. The controls are easy to learn, making it beginner-friendly, while still offering enough responsiveness and features to be rewarding for experts. It's also app-controlled, which is standard for modern drones and provides access to various flight modes, settings, and a live camera feed directly on a smartphone. The inclusion of GPS is a key special feature, aiding in stable flight, precise positioning, and potentially features like return to home, which adds a layer of safety and ease of use, particularly for beginners. Overall, the Pro F13 GPS drone appears to be a well-rounded package. It combines a capable camera system with high-resolution stills and 1080p video, impressive range and flight time, a durable build, and user-friendly controls enhanced by GPS and app integration. It seems to live up to its description as beginner-friendly while offering features that appeal to more experienced users looking for a reliable and capable drone for aerial photography and videography.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.